If you're into sneakers, I promise packing, even for a 2-day trip, is one of the most difficult things ever. I'm only going somewhere for 2 nights. Why do I have to fight packing like 5 pairs of sneakers?
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish.
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ, back another video on Talks with TJ. And yeah, listen, it's a quick trip, but I can't be the only one that goes through this. Oh no, I'm not. So just go ahead and comment below. Like, for yourself, what's a reasonable amount of sneakers to pack? What's the reasonable number if you're only going for a 2-night trip? Like, is it 3? Is it 4? What do you consider reasonable? And I don't know if there's a right or wrong answer, because I know individuals where they will pack 1 pair of shoes for the entire trip, and it can be like a 5-day trip, 7-day trip. They pack 1 pair and that's it. I'm not saying you can't get away with that, because how often do we actually point out pairs that we're like, hey, it's super versatile. You can wear all white Vans, you can even wear checkered Vans, you can put on Air Force Ones, you can put on the neutral gray Jordan 1 or low or high, and it works. You can throw on an all white 350 V2. You can throw on, honestly, a Wave Runner. You'd be shocked how much it goes with. Yeah, but that's not what I'm doing. I'm still packing multiple pairs, but I feel like I'm doing better than before. So let's just take a quick look at how packing is going. Listen, I work from home, so anytime I travel, that's a great chance to break out a pair that doesn't get enough love. That's right, the Adidas Bad Bunny Form Power Phase. So I have the Form Power Phase low. Let's break out the Fear of God Essentials Volley Shorts in amber. I'm thinking that with the Pharrell tee from Street Market Supply, all of the colors coordinate together. Now, I debated this BG outfit with the Richie Lee Collection cargo shorts in gray and the Beluga reflectives, but V2s are just, they get more shine anyway, no pun intended, or more wear than other pairs in my collection. And this is the favorite hat. You guys know this is like the go-to hat now in my closet. And the Candace Parker tee, nothing but love for her. Even though the Sky, they're out, nothing but love for CP3. And these shorts, they're from Playa Society. Shout out to them again for sending these over. They're so comfortable. So it allows me to rep all of the W while they're traveling, just to be comfortable when I'm out and about running errands. And then I'm debating between these as my actual airport pair or the Ultra Boost 21 that I just picked up. But an Ultra Boost pair, it's kind of a must for me now whenever I'm traveling and walking through the airport. Now there's one more pair I think I want to pack for dinner. Well, Saturday night dinner. You know what? These are fresh in the scene. Why not get immediate burn on the 350 Turtle Dove 2022. Nice little dinner wear. And yeah, listen, best investment right here. First time using it, rolling luggage with 360 wheels. I am really over the duffel life. I can't say that enough. It was such a strain on my life while traveling. All right, that's not to say my mind didn't change about the pairs, because the pairs and the outfits, it all goes together. And then as a woman, listen, I pack for what if, and that's a terrible thing, because the what ifs never happen. So you have tons of just clothing and shoes, quite possibly, that you do nothing with. But I'm trying my best to just be reasonable in packing for just a 2-night trip. Also, it's a little bit difficult when you want to rep your team, right? But based on what's going on and what you're doing, like, can you try to rep all the teams at once? It's hard, y'all. I'm telling you, it's hard. Trying to rep the Aces. College football is back. NFL is back. I can't do it all at once, but I did my best just in terms of making sure I had everything I would need no matter what I travel comfortably, okay? Always and forever, I will stand by that. I travel comfortably. But yeah, and also the best investment had to have been outside of TSA pre-check, a rolling suitcase. That's an easy carry-on. And thankfully has 360 wheels, because y'all listen, duffel life is not for me. I can't keep, it was literally like trying to deadlift and farmer's walk 50 pounds, it felt like sometimes, over and over and over and over again. And I'm not doing that anymore. So I'm just gonna roll on through, okay, comfortable in my Ultra Boost to whatever gate and terminal I have to be present at on time so that I can go where I need to go. That's it. That's all I got. That's all I got. I really hope you guys had an amazing weekend. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.